Welcome to the Totara 19 release presentation. As a Platinum Alliance partner, Web Anywhere is excited to introduce the latest features and enhancements. Let's explore the new capabilities of Totara 19. Introducing the new Inspire base theme. This theme features a modern left-hand navigation, perfectly complementing the pathway course format. The collapsible menu offers an icon-based experience, enhancing user interaction and accessibility. Discover the redesigned Explore layout for the catalog page. This update aligns with the modern UI elements of Totara 19, offering a seamless and intuitive browsing experience for users seeking learning and collaboration opportunities. Totara Engage LXP functionality is now integrated into the core platform. Features like workspaces and user-created resources enhance peer-to-peer learning, offering more value to Totara Learn customers without additional costs. The new course enrollment approval workflows allow learners to request enrollment in specific courses. Managers can review and approve or deny requests, providing customizable control over the enrollment process. Cloning certifications is now streamlined. Administrators can duplicate certifications from existing ones or create templates for reuse across the business, aligning certification management with program administration. Other changes include Section 508, accessibility improvements, and artificial intelligence course tag recommendations. These updates make the platform more accessible and pave the way for future artificial intelligence features, enhancing usability and functionality. Totara 19 launches in January 2025. Whether you're upgrading or exploring Totara for the first time, the Web Anywhere team is ready to assist. Visit webanywhere.com to learn more and connect with us. We'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching this short presentation.